Oh, hello guys. It is Anna's Reading Club, and today I'm wearing these happy birthday glasses, like I said in the other video. So I'm wearing the other strap bracelet that I wear in this earlier video. And today I'm gonna read. I'll teach my dog a lot of words. So I'll start this story. Let's start. I'll teach my dog a lot of words. I'll put it down. I'll teach my dog a lot of words. The first words I will teach my pup are dig a hole and fill it up. I'll teach him walk. I'll teach him run. Then catch a ball. We're sure have fun. Then I'll teach him bark and beg. Wag your tail and shake a leg.
Anna, can you bark? Again, can you bark 3 times? Okay. I said 3 times. 2 times it was.
Come on, I said. And beg, wag your tail, and shake a leg.
What's that?
Shake a hand.
Hand, okay.
Wash your ears and wash your toes. Stretch your head and blow your nose. I'll teach him big, I'll teach him small.
Which one is big?
And this is small.
What's that?
And fat,
No. What the big things?
elephant. And the small thing is a mouse. And fat and thin. Fat, thin. And short and tall. Tall, short. That's so tall. And dark and light and day and night.
Could you read and then point to at the same time?
And dark and night and
Night?
day and dark and light and day and night. I'll teach him chase the cat and climb the tree. Sorry guys. Eat your food and follow me. I'll teach him red and blue and green. A dog like this you've never seen. I'll teach him orange, purple, and pink, but he can still learn more, I think. I'll teach my dog to paint a chair. I'll then paint the road from here to there. He'll even paint some underwear. Ew! Gross. Cut the grass, shine my shoes, kiss the goose, but that's not all my dog will do. He'll toot a bagel, beat a drum, and then he'll learn to sing with birds. He'll stand, he'll toot a burglar, beat,
No. Here.
oh, he'll stand on top of someone's thumb, and then he'll learn to sing with birds. Now there, he knows a lot of words. I hope you have a good day. Please comment down below. Have a good day, and bye guys. Let's go.